Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Shopify TikTok ads. First, link your Shopify store to TikTok for Business, which is a crucial initial step. Next, install the TikTok pixel on your Shopify store. This tiny piece of code tracks customer actions, providing valuable data for optimization. Then, set up your TikTok Ads Manager account, where all your campaigns will live. Finally, select your advertising objective, such as driving sales or increasing website traffic, to guide your strategy. Now let's talk about your ad creative. TikTok thrives on short, engaging videos, so aim for 15 to 60 seconds. Incorporate trending sounds and popular effects to make your ads feel native and capture user attention quickly. Clearly highlight your product's unique benefits, showing viewers why they need what you offer. Always include a strong, clear call to action, such as "Shop Now," to guide potential customers directly to your Shopify store. Moving on to campaign setup and budgeting. Precisely define your target audience using demographics and interests to reach the right people. Choose a bidding strategy that aligns with your campaign goals, whether it's maximizing conversions or clicks. Start with a daily budget of at least $20 to give your ads enough reach and data. Finally, select your ad placements, ensuring your ads appear prominently within the TikTok feed for maximum visibility. The final, crucial step is tracking and optimizing your performance. Regularly monitor your campaign data within the TikTok Ads Manager to see what's working. Analyze key metrics such as cost per acquisition and return on ad spend to understand your profitability. Continuously, /B test different ad creatives and targeting options to discover what resonates best with your audience. Based on your performance data, adjust your bids and budgets to maximize your results and achieve your business goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.